Hello and welcome back to Daily English. Today's expression is simple, practical, and beautiful. It's second nature. One more time. Second nature. Listen to this. She had practiced her new habit for weeks. Setting her alarm, waking up early, and writing for 10 minutes every morning. At first, it was difficult. But one day she realized she wasn't forcing herself anymore. She was just doing it. It had become second nature. Now, what do you think second nature means? When something is second nature, it means you can do it easily and automatically, without thinking, because you've done it many times. It becomes natural, familiar, almost instinctive. Now let's listen to some more examples. There was a time when she had to think about every single verb tense. But now, after years of practice, or maybe after months of practice, forming sentences in English feels second nature. Another one. He used to check recipes for every small detail when cooking. Now he cooks the same dish with confidence and no instructions. It's become second nature to him. And at first, she had to remind herself to speak kindly to herself. It felt strange, even uncomfortable, but slowly, with practice, compassion became second nature, a quiet habit she didn't have to force anymore. Most skills in life feel hard before they feel natural, but with time, repetition, and patience, the things that once felt impossible can become second nature. And I hope English becomes second nature to you one day. Something that feels natural, familiar, and truly yours. Now my question for you. What is one skill in your life that has become second nature to you? Thanks for listening to Daily English Pod and have a great day.